I survived the endless search for effective ways to shed belly fat and finally found my solution. I spent countless hours researching and trying different methods until I stumbled upon a 15-minute walking workout for weight loss. This simple yet powerful routine became my go-to, and I'm excited to share how it transformed my life. I saved myself from the frustration of complicated gym routines and instead embraced this easy-to-follow workout. Every day, I built a habit of dedicating just 15 minutes to brisk walking. Despite the initial challenge of finding time in my busy schedule, I got creative with my workout routine, incorporating it into my daily activities, whether it was during lunch breaks or while running errands. The exercises were straightforward but effective. I focused on maintaining a brisk pace, swinging my arms vigorously, and using incline routes whenever possible to amplify the calorie burn. This daily commitment paid off. I noticed significant changes both physically and mentally. My belly fat began to melt away, my energy levels soared, and I felt more confident in my own skin. The transformation wasn't just about the numbers on the scale. Mentally, I felt empowered and motivated, and the sense of accomplishment from sticking to my routine was priceless. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues? Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now, link in description. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. The key to success with this workout was consistency. Start with manageable goals and track your progress. Celebrate small victories and stay committed, and you'll see the results unfold. I encourage you to give this routine a try. Your future self will thank you.